Now I've just opened the door, key, door, and we walk in. As you can see, there's plenty of chairs, high chairs, binoculars. It's nice in here. It's a non-smoking area, obviously, so it's nice and fresh. I've spent my most nights in here, just gazing out the windows. Stuffed otter there. All the pictures of the birds and that, on the walls. And my binoculars, and obviously the scenery away over there. It's looking a bit wild today. Just as well we're going home, because we've actually had really good weather since we've been here, and today is the day that when we're going home the weather's changed. Big moth. Look at him again. Honestly, maybe because I leave the door open when I go outside. And this is my bar area. This is where I usually gaze out the windows. And obviously, there's any smoking here, for convenience for everybody else's sake. Right, that's it.